The Office of the Privacy Commissioner for Personal Data received 42 complaints from construction workers who were suspected to have been tricked into revealing personal data by fraudulent job advertisements. Samantha Lee reports.
42 suspected fraud cases were reported to the Privacy Commissioner for Personal Data, or PCPD, over the past 2 weeks, involving construction workers who came across recruitment messages on social media, including WhatsApp, Facebook, and WeChat groups. After expressing interest in job vacancies advertised, they were asked to provide the so-called recruiters with their personal documents, including ID cards, construction worker registration cards, and construction industry safety training certificates, also known as the 3 essentials for construction sites. Some even shared their bank account details. The workers were later told to gather at specific MTR stations, but the recruiters failed to show up and could no longer be contacted. Fearing that information could be used illegally, the workers lodged complaints with the PCPD. The Hong Kong Construction Industry Employees General Union expressed anger over the issue. Union Chairman Chelsea Key said workers generally do not have to provide the 3 essentials for construction sites before a formal interview. In addition, he pointed out that employers rarely recruit through social media platforms, as most companies have their own established networks of subcontractors and workers. The privacy watchdog advises job seekers to verify the identities of recruiters through official or reliable channels and avoid sharing sensitive information to unknown parties. Samantha Lee, TVB News.